Hey Joe, where's June and Jeno?
Where did it go?
No.
Come on, go faster, man. I'm so excited, man.
There's one mom. Did you see Jeno and June? Hey guys. Where are they, man? Guys!
Dude!
Jeno!
How are we going to cross this river?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, dude, I have an idea. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Wait to buy. I don't want to hold that, so you
So
can
you
do it.
hold it. Surfboard.
Oh, we're so wet.
Mapit so
Did you
much.
see Jeno and June? Not yet, man.
Oh, look! Oh, look! Oh, look over there, over there! Oh, look! Oh, look! Oh, look over there, over there! Oh, look! Oh, look! Over there, over there!
Hey, bro!
What's up, Loki?
Man.
We're so tired. What's up, Get some rest. Get some
Mommy.
rest. Wala na gid signal, Meg ba?
Dili man gani sa akon.
Naka-airplane mode bro na, Meg. Di man ma-reach diri ang GPS, Meg. Do kag gadulom naman abi. Pangitan lang ta pagkaon.
Meg. Basta dito mi alaw. Dito basta may saging. Dito may makita ta saging.
Meg, Meg, ito saging. Sige, Meg, ano Meg? Meg, sige, Meg. Meg, ano na, Meg? Iya ko da?
Meg, ano na Meg? Meg, may nakita ko Meg, blueberry. 4.
Ano nakabutang? Ano nakabutang?
Way to go. This one.
This one.
Meg, may signal na Meg.
Meg, ano na si John? Meg, sana daw si Meg puta. Guys, gather some treats. Yeah, what shall we eat? You can't eat if you don't start the fire.
Let's get some twigs. Yan, let's get some wood.
Okay, I'll get some food. Let's get coconuts. I'm going to sleep.
Yes.
Wait, I forgot my
I
shoes.
forget something.
Go.
Coconuts and stars.
Hey guys. Guys, did you felt that?
What?
Just an earthquake.
What? Earthquake?
Earthquake?
What earthquake? What kind of earthquake?
No. Oh, the earthquake. Bigla ka sa open field. Lakas mo. Roll.
Tama na, Meg.
Napuli ang puti.
Meg, steady lang, Meg, magurulad.
Wala na Meg. Para po.
Meg, basi may aftershock?
Di manatay.
Ma-prepare dapat to Meg.
Guys, naalala niyo ba yung sinabi ni Sir Kyakim?
Wait pa.
Sir Kyakim?
Morning class. morning class, i-discuss tayo ang safety and preparedness. This day, we're going to discuss about safety and preparedness. Guys, safety. Kung halimbawa may earthquake, dapat halimbawa ari ka dire. This is you. Ikaw na, sir. This is me. Tapos may ara dire sa table. Di kay syempre ang aton nga ceiling may ara gid sang tendency nga mag-crack, maulog. Mr. Oriento. Kung may earthquake, guys, this is what you do. Duck, cover, hold position. Hindi ka mo mabulag, hindi ka mo magwas sa ginakoveran nyo, hindi sa cover sa inyo. Be prepared, this is what you bring. You need flashlights. Number 2, an extra battery. 3, first aid kit. 4, a radio.
Hi guys, this is a quick trivia if an earthquake happens. An earthquake is a sudden rapid shaking of the earth caused by the shifting of rock beneath the earth's surface. They strike without warning at any time of year, day or night. To be safe, pick safe places. A safe place could be under a sturdy table or desk or against an interior wall away from windows, bookcases or tall furniture that could fall on you. Practice drop, cover, and hold on in each safe place. Drop under a sturdy desk or table and hold on to one leg of the table or desk. What if an aftershock happens? First, what are aftershocks? Aftershocks are smaller earthquakes that follow the main shock and can cause further damage to weakened buildings. Aftershocks can occur in the first hours, days, weeks, or even months after the quake. Beware that some earthquakes are actually foreshocks and a larger earthquake might occur.
Radyo! Bandage! Flashlight! Tubig! Liwat! Extra tubig na naman!
Knife!
Rescue team! Rescue team na! Tawagin natin sila!
나의 두 눈을 감으면 떠오르는 그 눈동자 자꾸 가슴이 시려서 잊혀지길 바랬어 꿈이라면 이제 깨어났으면 제발 정말 네가 나의 운명인 걸까
운명처럼 너를 falling 또 나를 부르네 calling 헤어나올 수 없어 제발 homie 내 인연을 끊인 넌지 기다린 네가 맞는지 가슴이 먼저 왜 내려앉는지 내 맘 마음속 깊은 곳에 네가 사는지 내 안에 숨겨왔던 진실
나의 두 눈을 감으면 떠오르는 그 눈동자 자꾸 가슴이 시려서 잊혀지길 바랬어 꿈이라면 이제 깨어났으면 제발 정말 네가 나의 운명인 걸까 난 falling you 난 falling you
가슴은 뛰고 있어 여전히 날 보고 있어 자꾸만 숨이 막혀서 아직은 멀리에서 너를 지켜보고 싶어 내가 또 왜 이러는지 처음 너를 봤을 때부터 다르게 운명의 시간엔 또 더디게 같이 내 가슴은 널 향했고 내 심장은 다시 또 뛰었고 꺼져버리던 희미한 불빛 너로 인해 다시 타오르는 눈빛 마치 오래전부터 널 사랑한 것 같아 뭔가에 끌리듯 끌려온 것 같아
나의 두